Do you know how you're fooled from childhood and forced to be in the rat race? So this is what you're going to see today. It's going to be a huge revelation. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh and your millionaire coach and author of the book Money Leaks. And I help you in creating wealth. If you want continuous wealth and how to grow to the next level in your life, please click the subscriber button. And I keep sharing about mutual fund, stock market, and money management things and savings, etc. Right? So how you are fooled from childhood. Just think about your childhood story. We don't know what to do, and we used to go to schools and do all these stuff. And before we know what is happening, we will be getting into the 10th standard, and that is when everybody will say, "Study hard." That is when you will be completing your, you will be getting your good group, and after that, you can be an engineer, doctor. That is what we have been told continuously. And once completing that, you need to complete your degree, and after that, you can be very, very happy in your life. Once you complete your college studies, you can be very happy. So we used to study hard for the next 2 years, almost 11th, 12th. We used to study hard. Even some of them will be so hard that they won't even they won't they will cut the television channels, television things and DTH and all these stuff. No broadbands and nothing, and they will be sitting inside the room studying fully, full stressed. And after that, and some people, it's very hard to see the people doing suicide just because they didn't get the good marks. So that is a pressure they are putting inside your head. Just think about that. And then the college life comes in, and again, though the college students right now, the millennials, are totally different. They are enjoying their life. But just think, sir, you need to complete the college days, and you need to get into the job, because maybe as an engineer for the first 3 years you may be enjoying your college days, but last year again you will be getting the pressure of you need to get the job, or else you'll be being like other engineers who are not getting job. You will be out of the rat race. Life is a rat race. Do you remember the Three Idiots story? Life is a rat race and you need to run very hard. That is what I'm just saying. So after getting the job, again, the pressure is so huge, because I was there. I was into that pressure. And if you know that some of the officers are too much pressured, like they used to see you like a villains, and it used to be like gang war between the two set of people. Groupisms will be there, and wow, so much. It is fair enough to be a LKG student, enjoy your life, go have food and enjoy. That is how you will feel after getting into the office. And before you turn, and again the marriage life will start, and you need to survive in office, or you need to survive in your business, and you don't know what to do in life. And by the time you will end up, you will end up being 50 or 60, and it will be huge opportunity, huge a burden, like growing up your kids and taking care of your life and all these stuff. So everybody's life, can you relate? What whomsoever you are you a student, are you a millennial, or you are working, or a retired person? Life is a race. That is what we have been told, all these things, right? So how to come out of this rat race? First thing, have a mentor, either in office, to go to the next level and understand what is happening. If he is also in rat race, better to choose a mentor outside the office, because being in IT industry and exiting, I know how hard it is to get a proper mentor inside the IT companies, and it is better to stay out. Though I'm not denying the fact that technically they are the good ones, but if you want to get out of the rat race, if you want to enjoy your life, certain companies are really good. They take care of all the aspects, health wise, mental health, mental wellness and everything. But I'm just saying, people, because we are hearing suicidal stories which are very extreme, but there are stories like once they are out of job, they don't know what to do. Just for that sake, get a mentor outside your company, so that you can talk freely about everything. And if you're in business, you should really have a mentor, because they will guide you to be on a path where your holistic growth will happen. And you can take decisions whatever you are feeling like, should I take or should I not, should I step over that? All these things can be overlooked, and they will push you, even literally pushing you. You need to do this, or else you will be staying in the same level. So once someone which whom you can respect are saying some certain things, you will certainly do that thing, right? And finally, are you really want to get out of the rat race? Because this lesson nobody is teaching you. That is the reason you are in rat race. Just think of all these years you have been told that complete, go to the next level, you'll be completely happy. Go to the next level, go to the college, you'll be happy. Go to the get the job, you'll be happy. And get married, you'll be happy. And after get your children, you will be married, you will be happy. And after that, you need a retirement corpus, so that you can live happily for the next 30 40 years. So the pressure on your inside your head is going to be huge. every moment of time. So my sincere request, start saving, start investing wisely, because investment will help you in creating wealth. Because the money is, if you see, the underlying problem is that the money. But the money management, who is teaching you in all these times? They say that it's a job, they say that it's a marriage, they say that it's your retirement corpus. But unless it is retirement corpus, it's not completely getting into the form of money or wealth creation. So right from school days and college days, if you think about how much wealth you want in life, it's not about how much wealth, how much you need to live happily. It can be 30,000 or 50,000 or a lakh or 5 lakh. You can earn any amount of money. It's your right to earn a lot of money. Nobody is going to stop you from earning a crore or more. So are you ready to earn? Are you ready to save? Are you ready to invest, so that your life is going to the next level? That stress itself will not be there. Once your stress is not there, you can live your life peacefully. Try to earn a money which is going to be much helpful to lead a happy life, and then think about growing to the next level. So till that time, save wisely. That is what I say. Till now I'll be telling that invest wisely. So my suggestion is save wisely, because that is the most difficult part right now. You will spend your money in movie subscriptions, you will spend your money in Amazon, Flipkart, Netflix, or even when you go to shopping, and nowadays shopping mall is also open, you will do that. Or money spending is huge with your credit card, and now with your mobile, the wallets and everything is there. Earlier it used to be credit card. If you tear your credit card, everything is gone. Now the all your wallets, the mobile wallets that come up, which will force you to spend easily. So my the sincere request is that start saving. That should be the first thing. And if you want to create wealth, please jump into my webinar, Stock Market Success Formula, which is happening frequently, so that you are learning and you're implementing your whatever you're learning in stock market. I do 5 live webinar classes as well, so that you're not left alone with what is taught in a webinar, right? Thank you so much. So life is not a rat race. You need to come out of it. Don't think life is a rat race, and I will help you in coming out of the rat race. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click the subscriber button, and share this video with your friends, so that let them also come out of the rat race along with you, because life is to enjoy along with friends and families. Thank you so much.